Hello, welcome to the Mark Janard Show, the cybersecurity show. In this video, let's talk about the best options, right? Advanced and affordable options for satellite comms for civilians, right? I'm going to talk about in this video what's out there for civilians to get. Are there upcoming advancements in satellite communication technology for civilians? What are the main differences between satellite text messengers and two-way communication devices? So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. So for civilians seeking advanced yet affordable satellite communication options, there are several notable devices available to, that cater to different needs and budgets. But before I go into that, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Once again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Okay. So here are the top satellite communicators, right? We have the Garmin inReach Mini 2, right? Some of the features, this device is known for its lightweight design, long battery life, and functionality as a standalone device. It uses the Iridium satellite network, which provides comprehensive global coverage, including polar regions, right? It's ideal for those who need two-way communication and GPS navigation capabilities. And the price sits roughly at around $400, right? Next, we have the Zoleo Satellite Communicator. It is, it's highlighted as one of the most, it's the most economical option, right? So maybe the most affordable option. So it offers a user-friendly system with a dedicated phone number. It supports two-way messaging and is integrated with a smartphone app for enhanced functionality. Then you have price. It is considered a budget-friendly option, though there is not really an exact price, okay? But go on a simple Google search and you put Zoleo, right? And then you'll see it. Next, you have the Garmin inReach Messenger. This device offers excellent battery life and signal receptivity, right? Along with basic on-device screen functionality. It supports group messaging and tri-network connectivity, right? That's satellite, cellular, and Wi-Fi, making it versatile for various communication needs. Okay, in that regard. In regards to pricing, this sits at around $300. It offers a balance between cost and features. We then have the Spot X. It's known for its on-device communication capabilities. Spot X allows users to send and receive messages independent of a smartphone. It is suitable for those who prefer not to rely on additional devices, right? Now, here are some considerations, right? Network coverage, right? Devices using the Iridium network, like the Garmin inReach models, offer broader global coverage compared to those using Globalstar, which has some coverage limitations. You have functionality. Two-way messengers like the Garmin inReach Mini 2 and Zoleo, right? The Zoleo allow for more comprehensive communication, including SOS alerts and GPS tracking, while one-way devices like Spot Gen 4 are more limited, right? You have budget, right? Again, we're going to talk about that Zoleo, right? So, while devices like Garmin inReach Mini 2 offer extensive features, budget options like Zoleo provide essential communication capabilities at a lower cost, okay? So that's just something to keep in mind. So these satellite communicators are invaluable for staying connected in remote areas where traditional cell service is unavailable, making them ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and those living in rural regions. So are there any upcoming advancements, right? What we're talking about right now. Are there any upcoming advancements in satellite communication technology for civilians? So yes, there are. And here they are right now, right? Satellite to cell technology, right? This is seen as a major opportunity in satellite communications, allowing direct communication between satellites and cell phones without the need for ground infrastructure. Companies like Starlink plan to introduce texting services via their direct-to-cell initiative in 2024, with data and call services expected by 2025. This technology is supported by the 3GPP standards, which now include non-terrestrial networks. You then have the multi-orbit constellations, right? These involves combining satellites in different orbits, such as low Earth orbit, the LEO, or the geostationary orbit, GEO, to enhance connectivity and coverage. This approach is becoming more viable and is expected to provide more resilient and comprehensive satellite services. You then have the integration with 5G networks. This convergence of satellite and 5G technologies is anticipated to transform global connectivity. This integration aims to provide 5G connectivity from space, potentially offering services in areas lacking terrestrial infrastructure. There is proliferated LEO constellations. The deployment of large numbers of small satellites in LEO is expected to lower latency and broader coverage. These constellations will support a variety of applications, including broadband internet and Earth observation. Then there's the advancements in onboard data processing, right? Improved data processing capabilities on satellites driven by AI and machine learning are expected to reduce latency and enhance data resolution. This will be, this will enable, right, more efficient use of satellite data for various applications. These developments are poised to make satellite communications more accessible, reliable, and integrated with existing technologies, significantly benefiting civilian users, right? Now, there are some differences in regards to two-way communication devices and satellite text messengers, and we're going to get into that right now. So the main difference between satellite text messengers and two-way communication devices lie in their communication capabilities and functionality. When it comes to one-way satellite messengers functionality, right? These devices, such as Spot Gen 4, are limited to sending predefined messages and SOS alerts. They cannot receive messages or allow users to type out unique messages. There's the use case, primarily used for emergency signaling and sending location coordinates to predetermined contacts. Now let's get into two-way satellite messengers, right? Functionality. These devices can both send and receive messages similar to texting and a cell phone. They often include features like weather updates, live tracking, and navigation tools. The use case, it's ideal for more, comprehensive communication needs, allowing users to interact with friends, family, and emergency services in non-emergency and emergency situations. So here are the key differences, however. Okay, here are the key differences. Communication. Two-way messengers provide a more interactive and flexible communication experience, while one-way messengers are limited to outbound communication. You have the user interface. Two-way devices typically have more advanced interfaces, often pairing with smartphones for enhanced usability. And lastly, we have applications, right? Two-way messengers are suited for both casual communication and detailed logistical exchanges, whereas one-way devices are more suited for basic emergency signaling, right? So that's what I have for today. And if you're wondering, I talk about these things because we have to know, especially from a cybersecurity perspective, what's out there. What's really out there, because if we have a better understanding of some of the technological, networking, you name it, if we have a better grasp as far as what's out there, we can then identify risks, right, and vulnerabilities from a cybersecurity perspective, and we can also see, how hackers can use these or exploit these devices, right? So I want to ask this question, and please put it in the comment section below. I want to know your opinion. What are ways that hackers can use this device to do, right? What are the ways that they can use this device, and or how can hackers exploit these devices, right, for cyber attacks? So please let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. So please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. Once again, please take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button and the like button. I appreciate your viewership. Stay safe and see you on the next video.